Hi, I'm Francis, the host of this show, Cooking with Dog.
こんにちは。立派でしょう。これは北海道の水タコです。私の腕くらいあります。今日はこのタコと相性のいいトマトをたっぷり使ってパスタを作ります。
First, let's prepare the boiled octopus. The arm of the octopus is very thick, so cut it in half lengthwise. Begin slicing the octopus at 3mm intervals, leaving the piece attached with the initial cut, and then removing it with the next cut as shown. Make a deep incision and cut out the slices alternatively. Making deep cuts in the octopus makes it easy to enjoy the chewy texture. Place the octopus onto a tray. Then add a sake and toss to coat. If sake isn't available, you can leave it out. Dice the tomato into 2cm pieces and slice the zucchini into 5mm thick half moons. Now, let's cook the pasta. Add 0.7 to 1% salt to the pot of hot water and bring it to a boil. When you use a small pot, gradually submerge the spaghetti in the water as it softens. Cook the pasta for 1 minute shorter than the time described on the package. And now, heat a pan and add the olive oil. Add the zucchini. When they are browned, flip the slices over. Turn the heat to low and add the chopped garlic and dried red chili pepper. Stir fry them until aromatic. Then add the diced tomato. The tomato contains lots of water, so stir fry and reduce the liquid. Now, lightly season it with salt. You should go easy on the salt since the boiled octopus also contains salt. Reduce the liquid to give it a slightly thick consistency. This looks so good. Test a string of pasta to check the firmness. When the pasta is almost ready, add the boiled octopus to the pan. Add the soy sauce and butter. Lightly stir the ingredients and reduce to the lowest possible heat. Now, place the pasta into a mesh strainer. If you are a cooking novice, we recommend beginning to cook the pasta when the sauce is ready to avoid overcooking. Then, add the pasta to the pan. Quickly coat the noodles with the sauce. Now it is ready. Using tongs, arrange the spaghetti on the plate along with the ingredients to make the dish visually appealing. Finally, sprinkle on the coarsely ground black pepper, grated Parmesan cheese, and chopped parsley leaves. The more you cook the octopus, the tougher and smaller it becomes, so just warm the octopus and be sure not to overcook it.
タコの旨味がソースに移って美味しいですよ。
When the olive oil and the cooking water with the pasta are emulsified, the sauce becomes thick. This will help the spaghetti hold more sauce and make the dish more delicious. Good luck in the kitchen!
今日はこの残念だ。ちょっと待って。もうちょいだったのにね。